What's poppin', friends? I am back with another video. So since you're here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so y'all be here for the next video I drop. But today we gonna be I don't wanna say we, cause we ain't doing nothing. I'm gonna be mixing the mix. So the mix is what I use whenever I wash my hair in order to style it, or the mix is also what I use on my hair before I put these passion lock things in my head. So like I said, I was gonna make a video for y'all so y'all know what I be putting in mine. So these are all the items that I'll be using. You got your good old Aloe Vera Gel, good old Trader Joe's conditioner. I think it's like $2.99 or something cheap, but it's very good. This is some whole blends. I really like the smell of this. So I don't necessarily know what it actually do to your hair, but I like the way it smells. Some black castor oil. This some vitamin E oil. This is some jojoba oil, and for the people who about to come for me and say, oh, she don't know how to say it. Yes, I could say jojoba, but for this video, jojoba oil, okay? And this is some argan oil I'll be using. What else? We got a tablespoon and a teaspoon, our little bowl, and a spoon, so we could legit mix, okay? All right. So first things first is, one second. All right, I'm back. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your little tablespoon, and the first thing you could do, it don't matter, but you really just need 2 tablespoons of leave-in conditioner. So I'm doubling up, so I'll be doing 4 tablespoons. I'm saying 2 and 2. You could do 3 and 1 tablespoon. It don't matter, this your mix. So I'm gonna be doing 2 tablespoons of each, because like I said, I'm doubling up the batch. So you just gonna plop it on in there. All right, let's a full tablespoon. Oh, this whole blend, you know it smells good. So that's how to do that. Next, we're gonna take our good old Trader Joe's and do 2 tablespoons of it. Oh wait, I'm not doing it. Y'all can see it. And I'm sure this isn't the best angle, but listen. All right, that's our second one. So our conditioners are out the way. Next, you're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. So like I said, I'm doubling up, so this will be 4 tablespoons. So next up, we have our oil. For the normal recipe, I would just do just 2 teaspoons of oil. It doesn't matter what oil you use, but like I said, I'm doubling up this batch, so I have 4 oils in front of me. So I'm gonna do a teaspoon of each. But even if you were making a smaller batch, you would do a half a teaspoon of each. It really depends on how many oils you try to put in there, and you can sit there and be the mathematician you need to be to figure out how much oil really need to go in there. So up first is my vitamin E in there. Next up is the jojoba, also known as jojoba oil, okay? You're gonna put that in there. I know somebody gonna come for me for saying that, but listen, this is my video. Oh Lord, I guess I should have opened this one. this is the black castor oil. That's gonna get you growing. And then this is just, oh girl, if I could get this out. That's what I should have. All right, 1 sec. All right, y'all, we got it. Well, I think I got it. Still struggling, girl. All right, so this little squeezy droplet thing, I'm gonna fill it up with a little already. And that's that. All right, so this is what your mix should look like before we legit mix it. So now we're gonna get the mixing. So this is the end result of the mix. So when you're putting it in, you really only need like a little bit. Like you can really, ooh, disgusting. But like I said, you just pretty much gonna dab your fingers in there. And y'all, my allergies are blowing this whole video, but cause y'all gonna hear me sniffling. Anyway, this is the end result. So like I said, all you need is a little bit, but this, my friends, is the mix. And then whenever you done finish with your hair, I pretty much put the top on it and leave it in the refrigerator because it has that aloe vera gel in it. So until next time, friends. Bye, y'all. Oh, I should have taken this.